ship races in Harlingen are amazing for us as a crew. Everything is a walking distance, so we really enjoy Harlingen city itself.
Very welcoming people, warm, friendly, a lot of good energy.
The sporting activities were amazing because they were super original and fun, and we're having such a great time here, and we're really looking forward to come back here in a few years.
Dit is La Fuente. Ik weet niet wat hier in het water zit, maar jullie zijn legendarisch. En tot volgende keer. Ciao!